This video will show you how to connect Realm Phone to a PC. Connect with USB cable. Then change connection type. Then your Realm mobile device will show up on your PC. If the mobile device is not showing, go to Device Manager. Now right-click on the Windows icon, then go to Device Manager. Now click on Portable Devices. Then enable your device. Now it is showing on PC. If your Realm device still doesn't show on your PC, then go to the second method. First go to Settings. Click on the version number or build number 7 times. Then your mobile will turn on developer mode. Now connect the USB cable to your Realm phone. Now disconnect the USB cable, then reconnect it. Your mobile is now connected.